Yo, chat. Now you're loud and clear. Hold on. Today I win again. Today Thursday. Today Thursday, bro. Yeah, chat. When I hear me loud and clear, I'm gonna put this up. Yo, yo, yo. Alright. Hold on. I'm gonna go full screen. Now see my screen now. Today I did already like take a look on the chat so what goal I do. You see me, I kind of have an idea what we are look for chat, but you know I gotta do it. I'm gonna run the analysis so you know, but hold on. I'll make sure the quality clean. And chat is like if you click on the stream and you put it in a like equality normally they in a like 3 something or 480 or something like that. You have to just like go in our settings and put it up to 1080p. You see me? You'll be able to like see everything way better when you do that. I don't know why I always like put it in a like a lowest quality though when you just click on the stream. But yeah, chat, as I'm say, I just run the analysis. Hold on, I'm see if we have news today, by the way. I'm gonna even check that. Yeah, we have news 8:30. Alright, chat. So just get this over with before 8:30. Unemployment claims, I bet. So just run the analysis before 8:30 then. So chat, I'm delete all of them. I'll start over. So start from the monthly time frame as usual. You see me? So on the monthly time frame, chat. Hold on. On the monthly time frame, as you can see, 13 days left, 9 hours, and we're heavily bullish on the monthly. We print the bottom week last week, the candle flip bullish, close above the range, and bro, next week candle just start to fly. But monthly candle look good, bro. You see, you got like 13 days and 9 hours left. As you can see, this side bottom week when I talk about is like no right, so print the bottom week, close above the range, and the next week candle just continue to push straight up. You see me? Weekly candle got a 1 days and 9 hours left until we close. The drop down to like the daily time frame. The previous daily candle close with no top wick. A wick is a range shot. When the candle close with no top wick like this, you yeah, expect the next candle to drive down, because as I'm say, no top wick means we have no range. You see me? So the next candle, normally it would have just break the highs. After I break the highs, print a top wick, then we should be able to like continue down. You see my chat? So that's how I'm gonna look at the daily time frame, bro. As I'm gonna say, the previous daily candle close it without a top wick. When we have no wick, that means we have no range. So print a top wick, flip bearish, and then we'll start to fall down. If we get closure below up and like the higher time frame, then that definitely continue down further for re-break the lows. You see my chat? I have to go start do it like this, chat. Just start analyze the candle them, because the current candle them, because as I can see, we have no range left. We not have nothing left for base price off of none historical data, because gold at all-time highs. You see me? So we now have no room left, look left, but what we can do is use the current candle and go from there. So as I said, on the daily time frame, when the candle closes with no wick, I expect the next candle for reject, because a wick is a range and the previous daily candle closed without one. So jot down to the 4-hour time frame, chat. On the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, we got 46 minutes left until we get a closure. We close below the range on the 4-hour time frame. On the I look right, so the previous candle closed bearish below the range, so that good, bro. But this are the thing, 45 minutes left, chat. Would I want to see this current 4-hour candle, see if we can like print a top wick, manage to flip bullish and like the ending of the 4-hour candle or anything like that, sells below the range, would that be clean? Yes, my chat, cause if this 4-hour candle manage to flip bullish, I say we have to flip, but if we manage to flip, that are just more structure being print to the upside, like something like this. It's like We open up, we open up right as we forward down. After we forward down, we push up for a top wick, forward back down, close below. Then the current candle start to push up again. So I say if we forward back down, get like a closure below the range, we definitely could target the rebreak of the previous 4 candle lows. You see me? I'm measure that. That would have be like what? That's like 100 pip range going down. You see me, chat? So we could have definitely work with that, bro. We have like 100 pip range going down on like the previous 4 candle lows. So if that will happen, could I look for do that? You see me? And the idea for the buys them, chat, I don't know. But I want to see price reject, like something like this. When I drop down to like the smaller time frame, but I want to see price reject. I'm sure I talk about like we open up right so we push up. I want to see like we reject, forward back down, push back up, close back above in a this 4 candle. I want to see structure print in this 4 candle. You see if that will happen, then we look for take buys going up above the range chart. You see me? But before, as I said, before we look for take buys, we have to make sure that this hourly candle we get structure print. So not the hourly, this is the 4 time frame. So what we're gonna do, we'll drop down to like the hourly candle and see how the hourly candle them like print. You see me? Because obviously the 4 candle bullish and we have the last hour left. So like the last 3 hourly candle, well I'm gonna see. Yeah, the last 3 hourly candle chat. So basically the 4 candle open up right so I'm sure no, this look decent. This 4 candle open up right up on this bearish candle chat. Open up right so we push down. After I push down for like a mini bottom, we could close below the range and price print a fake out, because I can see like we have like a support right there. So we close, price print a fake out, the next candle push straight back up, the hourly candle where they push all the way up to like 32 33 32 areas, and then we reject. So it's like candle push up, reject, still close bullish above, the next candle close doji, but we did print another bottom wick. And after that happens, as I can see, the current 4 candle just start to push up. So basically, chat, if the 4 candle open up right so, and all of them candles, we did print structure, because we try to go up, reject, still close above the range, push down for another bottom wick, close weak bearish, and then the next candle start to push up. So you see that structure, this structure we have right so, when you go up on the 4-hour time frame, it at the 4-hour time frame I'll just show you one bullish candle. But now we get a little bit deeper into it, and instead of just look on this one bullish candle, you drop down to the hourly and see exactly how the bullish candle like start for drive bullish. You see me, chat? Because when the candle just push up without no structure print, that candle more easier for flip back bearish. But on this push up chat, push up are kind of clean. We did print structure on our way up. You see me? So that's what I try to say. So we drop down to the 30-minute time frame. We have like 12 minutes left. We have like a level right as a chat where if we close above, that would have been like a decent level. 33 37.05 closure above here, so would have been decent chat. But it seems like we already filled the range, because we can see the 30-minute of a top wick all the way at 33.42. So it seems like we already filled the range. I'm gonna drop down to like 15 and see we're going. 15-minute candle close below. Alright, so the 15-minute candle close below. See this line I'm put right as a chat. That way would I look for like the buys them above would have be clean range going up. You see me? But we already go up. We already print a top wick, as you can see. And not only that, we never close above 37.36. This level I'm gonna have right, so I'm gonna just mark off a 30-minute time frame. When I drop down to like a 15, Mrs. said the 15 can go close below it. So yeah, but I need a closure above. And since we get a closure below such a steep top wick, we could get ourselves going down, chat. That could be enough. You see me if we push down, but I want to see how it can go close though. I want to see like a closure below the range or something like that. There's in my chat. So that's the analysis, bro. For the sales chat, for sales, if I go look for sales, I look for tech sales below the range. Here's in my chat. I'm gonna look for take buys above. But you already know what we are look for. You see me? I go want to say like some bottom wick get print. And if me I go take sales, I need to see a top wick like where the 15 just do and like a closure respecting. Cause if they can't go close above the range print a top wick, that different. But as I can see, this can go clearly close below. You see me? 819. I chat. So you know what I do? I put some lines on the chart. And if you don't understand, I can just go over it again. You see it? We still got time. We got like 10 minutes until news. But yeah, chat. I put some lines on the chart, bro. With the analysis what we have in mind. So basically, remember me that talk about the 4-hour candle, the hourly candle, and all of that. So look, chat. If this 4-hour candle, mine should flip bearish. Remember that me did say. If this 4-hour candle, mine should flip back bearish. After a push up for such a steep top wick, will flip back bearish. Sells and sells below 33.24 would have be clean. You see me? Some would have look for sales below this, so we go down. We could definitely target the previous order candle lows. That level they could definitely get top, but you know more to hold my trades along. You see my chat. But I hold like the rebreak of the 4-hour candle lows. The current 4-hour candle lows. But first thing first, would I need to see that closure below chat that if the 4-hour candle of mine should flip back out bullish. You see me? Could look for somewhere in the range, but would have to wait. So say if we flip back bullish, would I expect a little mini top wick chat. Once we get like a mini top wick, that would have been good. 33.26 areas top wick right there, so alright. Well done, chat. Let me just get them a mark up. So let me see. If we close above within 8 minutes, close above 33.30. I'm not sure about that. Yeah, chat. What I'm trying to figure out. True, we look for this one. I'm trying to figure out. True, we look for buyers above 36. If this candle close in the range, say it close above 36, it close in this range. From this line to this line, we close in the middle of the range. Maybe I look if it would have still possible for we take buys going up towards the range fill. But let me see. We have like a closure right here, so chat, it look like would I just avoid the range? Would I just have to avoid the range, bro? You know what I could do? Could I like put this right as a chat? 33, 31. So look, so what would I look for? You see like, oh, we have like candles over here as a chat. We close below the range. I'm showing you. So I'm put a line right here, so see in the past chat, this candle when we close above or when we close below, we was able to print a bottom wick towards 33.30, and then close back above this range, we was able to push up. Same thing happened right as like we close above, and then after we close above, we was able to push up and fill the range. But this I think chat, me mood just wait for like a closure, like respecting more of say a bottom wicket print as well. So the reason why I'm put the line the right as I know chat, the reason why I'm put the line at 33.32 this one, yeah, because you see this 15 minute can go where I drive down. If this 15 minute can go do something like this, print a bottom wick all the way down, so manage for close respecting, bearish respecting this line. The next 15 minute can go open up, push down first, print another bottom wick, would I definitely look for buy span. This can go flip chat, because as I said, this is like a range where we have going up. So that's why I'm put the line there right there. So I'm say it again, may I wait for sale. If this 15 minute can go print a bottom wick, we got 5 minutes left. If we print a bottom wick, close, for some reason, we close bearish respecting. We never close bearish below. We close bearish respecting. The next 15 minute can go open up, print another wick top 33.30. Would have put buy stop and they can go flip. Expect so once we flip, we should be able to go up and fill the range. This is like a clean range going up. You see me? So that would have be the idea for the buys them. I measure range by the way. Alright, that would have be like what? 29. We have news of forward out soon to it. Now next 5 minutes. But chat, we have both idea for both buys and sells, right? You see me? So now we just play waiting game and see what's going on. You see me, chat? Hopefully I understand the analysis though. If not, me just go over it again and try to explain it better. Don't worry, do it. Every day I try get better at like analyze the chart for you, cause I know I probably say some things I don't even understand. And I'll be like, what am I talking about? Wow, chat for a candle about to flip bearish. Wow. Wow, chat. Look at that. This is like what? Measure this. 170 pips, bro. Jesus Christ. And you can't go even flip yet. Bro, I just know, bro. I found a 15 minute candle, you know, chat. This 15 minute candle, 115 minute candle, bro. Literally close respecting. We print a top wick first, and when we flip, we drop, bro. This 115 minute candle. Chat, me not look for no trade just yet. Me wait for news. We have news 8:30. You see me? So after news, then we start look for entries. Take advantage of the leftover volume when news bring, but me not enter a trade now, knowing news about for forward out, bro. Unemployment too. No gold should be able to move. So now, as I'm saying, chat, we have both idea with buys and sells. So now we just play a waiting game. You see me? We have news in like 2 minutes. Now I gotta have buy stop. You know, I never did that yet, chat, put buy stop or sell stop on news. I never do that yet. But I think you have some traders out there who do it. I never really do it yet, but I don't know. It's like I feel like there's so much things I have to like try out, but I don't really want to focus on that right now. Like for example, trade with like a trade with not a without a negative risk to reward, like something like that. I would have probably do it for like a challenge. Like it's something I talk about, you know, like some people that like enter they didn't enter some trade right so. So they enter a trade way, right so. It's like their stop loss would have been something like this below the range, right so. At 33.20 and then TP would have their way up there so. Me never ever take a trade like this, bro. Swear to God. I never trade so. From the day I start trade. For the day I start trade chat, me use a negative reward. I just somebody me always go about it. And the day I start trade till now. You see me? So it's like one day I might like do it for a challenge chat, like trade, try to catch like a 1 to 10 or a 1 to 20 for a challenge, but I don't know. I don't think I gonna do it right now though. I have to do it like probably next month, cause right now I do a challenge. Right now we are risk $100 for make 10, bro. Well, we are risk 100 pips for make 10 pips. That's the challenge for the month, you see me? When April done, me I go change it up. When April done, me I come around with something else. You see me? Probably probably try catch 1 to 10 and then thing there in April. So chat, we have news now. This are the news kangle. Yeah, I'm gonna look for sales below what you call this 33.24. But I want the news kangle print a top week. Want a top week first. That's a must. Nice. So now we flip chat. As I'm gonna say, if we can get a top week print on this news kangle, look. Once this kangle flip bullish print a top week, then after we flip bullish and print a top week wherever, then if we manage to flip back bearish, close below 33.24, then we'll look for sales going down chat. You see me? But right now we need a top week, so everything look good. See, go and start for push up. Nice. So as I'm say chat, we got like 28 minutes left. This 30-minute candle just open up. So like I'll print a top week. If my should flip back bearish, close below the range, sales from right as I go straight down towards 30.21. That's the idea we may have. So now chat, as I'm say, nice top week. Can we flip back bearish and get a closure below the range? That would have been decent now. So that's how I wait pan chat. Simple, bro. Hopefully I understand. Well, wait pan a 30-minute. Wait, a 30? I'm sorry, 30. Yeah, a 30. What the hourly say? 27 same way upon the hourly. And 4 I can got 27 minutes left as well. So as I'm gonna say chat, this 30-minute candle, we go in need a top wick. We open up and we drive down first. Candle open up and we push down first. But this are the thing chat. You see the line we have right here, so this are the range fill. We have the lows them for re-break. This are the range fill right here, so we never fill the range. You see me? So if we print a top wick, cause remember gold just drive down without a top wick, we're going to need liquidity even if price going drive down. So now that we flip bullish and we print a top wick, 27 minutes left. If this can go manage to flip back bearish, close below the range, cause move to take here 5 flip, me I stay out of this range we have right here, so me I stay out of that. I want like a closure below 33.24 and sales go straight down towards like 33.21. I think that would have been like what? That would have been like 20, 26, 25 pip range. You see me? And for the buyers them chat, if this 4 can go mine should close bullish above the range, if this hourly can go mine should close bullish, cause bear in mind the hourly not close yet. We'll just spend the first half of the hourly can go pushing up and then we'll push back down. But look, we got like 26 minutes left on the hourly candle. Me would expect we get like a bearish closure below in a chat, but if for some reason we not get that and this hourly candle after I push all the way down as of your bottom wick we still manage to close bullish above the range, then we could have definitely look for buys going up, cause that would have been like the hourly candle print structure, like something like this: drive up all the way up, push back down and still respect and just push straight back up and close above the range. So if we get a closure above the range, then you could have looked for more buys going up. You understand what I'm trying to say? But we got 25 minutes left. As I said, we expect we close bearish below. But that is just an idea for if we not close bearish below. No, we have ideas for both buys and sells, bro. So we always do it. This might be a market execution to try. That would be good. Yeah, if we get like a closure below, yeah, that's see me into like a let's market execute sells. But what happen? 1 minute can go push all the way back down, flip bullish and close bullish. Yeah, bro. So that's basically structure. That's a structure chart. 5 minute can go just close too. So basically 5 minute can go open up right so push up into the bottom week at 33.26, break the highs. I'm gonna use this. That will break the highs. It's like push back down all the way and we'll break the 1 minute structure. Can go manage for close bullish, same way. But yeah, I just continue for wait because it's like that I like the 5 minute can go print structure chat because it's like basically when I try to say on the 5 minute time frame 1 minute candle gonna be the 5 minute candle closure. So if I count it, this would be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see me? Or from right as cause we open up and we already spend 2 minutes on this candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So count out the last 5 candle, we open up right as so and we push all the way up and then we manage for like forward back down. So that's what I talk about. You see me? That basically structure being print in the 5 minute candle. But you would see it like that on the 5 minute candle, you just see one bullish candle going up. But if you ever drop down to like the smaller time frame, you see how the candle then actually go up, where then top before it then go up. You get what I'm trying to say? So that's like a thing when I implement now in my strategy chart. And we might get position soon, bro. As I said, it's gonna be like a market execution, most likely. You already know me, I wait for a closure below. Well, I'm gonna load up MT5 because I didn't even load that up yet. Might get entries soon, hold on. So yeah, chat, as I'm saying, I look for entries below. Yeah, so 33.24. You see me? We can manage for forward down and close below. This can just push down, close below, that would have been decent. I look a mini top wick right so. And once we get this mini top wick print, can go flip. Then I expect the range fill. On the rebreak of the lows, we could have go risk free. Yes, so we could have break even upon the rebreak of the lows and would have expect the range fill. Got a minute left. Got 15 seconds. This candle got a minute. Alright, chat. I go enter a market execution chat as I say, bro. I'm gonna see how we close though. Can this 1 minute candle close below? Nice. So chat. Oh, nice. Once we push up, more see this level get top chat. If we can push up top this level, alright, we even break it. So chat. Me enter so cells right there's a chat. Right on that candle. Me enter so cells. You see me? As we push up. Think alright, so chat. Me enter so cells, you see me? Basically, the idea we have is a closure below the range. If we get a closure below the range and another top wick, we would look for some cells, you see me? So that was a weak entry sell. If this can manage to flip back bearish, that would have been decent. But that's the idea we have for how long, you see me? So just a follow a plan, bro. Let me see, chat. Let me see. In this case, that would have been like what? Stops would even be that bad, bro. Towards the rebreak at the highest, that would have been like 40 pip stops. And not 3 bad. Towards like the breakout at the range, that would have been like what, 50. So chat, my stops are got there above here, so. And this are the range fill. What would I expect? Yeah, if we can rebreak the lows, that would have been my risk free. So yeah, bro. That trade I got into chat, you see me, nothing else in my control now. All I have to do is just wait and see what go on. You see me? And stop loss, I'm telling you the exact level I'm stops there. I'm giving you the exact level. Hold on. Let me see so. Chat. In this case, my stops I got the 30.37. You see me? That's where I put my stop loss. No, 30.36 chat. Let me place that right now because we never place it yet. Stop loss 33.30. 33. Yeah, chat 33.30.36. 30.36. Alright, boom. So I'm just place my stop loss just now. Right there, so. Alright, chat, also I can go on though. What is we peak, by the way? If I realize, so we peak like 14 pips. Up like 14 pips, chat. Can we re-break the lows? Or not? We got 2 minutes left, chat. 2 minutes left. Chat, within 2 minutes, I just want a bearish closure. If we can get a bearish closure within 2 minutes, we're good, chat. Just want a bearish closure. Twelve seconds. This gang got 17. Stop previous low. Chat, if me have too much lines on the screen, just let me know me delete some of them. Chat, as I said, chat, basically I wait to see if we can get a bearish closure. We got like 1 minute left, you see me? So within the last minute, if we get a bearish closure, good. But chat, you see, if we close bullish above the range, chat, would I look to do something like this? I'm telling you right now. If this can go close bullish above the range, chat, next can go open up, print a bottom wick, yeah, that's me jump out at break even. But I just close off at break even, chat, because more obviously this can go close below the range. We got 30 seconds left. Closure below the range, that would have been decent. If we're not getting a closure below the range, then would I just jump out, or if we in profit, put my stop loss at break even. You see me? 20 seconds left. Can we get a closure below? Going still need a top wick as well. Nice closure, chat. Nice closure. So yeah, after a top wick, chat, we should be straight, bro. After a top wick, we should be straight. So yeah, nice. Push up first though. So can this can go flip? If this can go flip back bearish, chat, we're good. We're good to go. We're good to go, bro. I will see if this can manage to flip bearish though. 14. Nice. So chat, you know what, chat? Stop loss at break even, chat. Let me see. Mother wants to flip and re-break the lows though. Can you re-break the lows? Wait, chat. More have to say we re-break the lows first. Cause whenever did flip, we forward down close. More have to say you can go actually flip and re-break the lows. Nice. So chat, this is now a risk-free trade, chat. This is now a risk-free trade, chat. Stop loss at break even. 3325.06. Yep. So chat, as I'm saying, this is now a risk-free trade, bro. If break even get hit, then a GG's. Yeah, break even get hit, chat. So a GG's will peak like 13 pips off of this a trader. We peak 13 pips. We never close full. Cause as I'm saying, I expect the range fill, but we never get that 15 minute can go close below. We print a top wick, we flip bearish. I say why would I need to push up and re-break the highs unless we're going to drive further. So that's why I'm a stop loss did that break even. You see me? We push up, we re-break the highs and we did drive further. So we can still flip in a chat, but would I just wait until this 15 minute can go flip. I guess we currently are print a steeper top wick right now. So we have got just wait. That was a break-even trade though. How much break-even? I've got update that like 13 break-even. I barely hit break-even in a chat. Barely hit break-even, bro. I think that is a bad thing. I try for like go break even more often, so I can like hit break even more often, because as you can see, I lose way more than me hit break even. More while I enter a trade and the whole trade play out and the even move stops the break even. No time. I try to change that though. I want to start go break even more often. So chat, first trade was a break even, as when I say chat, I just a wait, you see me? I just a wait. Cause if this can go, tell me I wait one chat. We got 10 minutes left same way. This can go drive up and print a steeper top wick. If we manage to flip within 10 minutes, sells below would have still be clean. Sells below still good, chat. You see me? if this 15 manage for flip bearish. That's I think. Would have to wait though. Would have to wait chat cause I'm gonna look for avoid this range. I'm gonna look for like anything from like 15 me can go flip though. And as I would say we go break even because we would expect a steeper wick. We get a weekend tree. You see me? So we get a weekend tree after the 1 minute. So we did have to just go break even once they can go flip bearish chat. And flip bearish. Because the idea of if we print a top wick, can go flip bearish and then after we push up back and break the highs, most likely we are gonna drive up further. You see me? It don't mean we have to close above the range or we just start go straight up now. But we could just print a steeper top wick and that would be that expect. Yeah, that's why I'm gonna say if within 9 minutes, if this managed for like close back below the range, that would have still be clean. Could I try if it at themselves one more time? But it's 5 minute can go close. Let me see. Close bullish. Yeah, we got 4 minutes left, so we'll see. This I go flip bullish or if it I go drive down with the 15-minute time frame. Where I can go, got 7 minutes left though. Next 4 minutes can go in me get a top wick as well. Chat, me just basically I wait for a closure, bro. You see me? I'm about to get a closure soon. Range going up 30. I'm about to get a closure in like 5 minutes, so that I wait pan before I do anything else. You see? Wanna see how this can go like actually close. And that gonna be like the 4 can go closure as well in 5 minutes. Before I can go, I'll be able to drive down first anyways, cause you would expect the 4 I can go print a bottom wick same way. So chat, we might look for like at themselves one more time Same idea, nothing to change, bro. I just like we go break even, can go print like a steeper top wick. So as I'm say, same idea, bro. This might be like a market execution, but would I need for see like a closure below the range and a top wick get print. You see me? And nice. So we did close below the range. So can we print a top wick chat? No top wick, we just basically fill the range, alright? Then that a GG's. That a GG's chat. So if, look, no a different ball game, bro. Guess what? No price grab liquidity. No, we already fill the range. So push up towards this level, me nah look for ourselves again. Because now this become 50-50. Why it become 50-50? Because we already fill the range. We already print a bottom wick. We already grab liquidity. So now this candle can just push past this range as me I talk. As me I talk about it to happen, bro. This candle, you see, it just push past the range. Because basically say it's every single day, bro. Every single day, chat. I already know if we get a bullish closure above the range, that would be super clean. We just fall down, break the lows, everything good, bro. Everything good, chat. Could I look for buys above 27 or even what you call this? Yeah, 28. Hold on, I'm gonna put this right here, so. I'm gonna put this right here, so. Yeah, chat. 3 minutes. If this can go close bullish above the range in 3 minutes, chat, you already know, bro. I'm gonna look for some buy position. And the reason for that, because price, would I expect that price grab liquidity just now. But this is the thing, we want to see like a closure above. You see, if we fall down, this is the thing though. If we fall down and we break the lows like how we just do, and price still fail for close above the range, then move to enter no buys. Cause we grab liquidity and we still fail for close above the range. So as I said, the buys idea would have be out the window, would have wait for a closure above. But if this can go within 3 minutes, mine should close above the range, would I look for take buys off for the next 30-minute time frame. Yes, me. But we want to see how we close though. We'll see. Giant. Basically go on. Alright, chat. So let me see. We got like a minute left. We will enter some buys. But I prefer enter some buys off of this candle. This minute candle, chat. If we close above. But this is the thing. But I just wait for the 4 candle closure. Because the 4 candle close in a 1 minute. You see me? So yeah. That's how I wait for chat. 4 candle close, the 4 candle go in either bottom wick. So after the 4 candle in the bottom wick, we look for buys off of the next 4. This might be another market execution, by the way. I chat so we get a nice closure above the range. Whoa. Bro, gold just basically fill the range. We didn't even bring the bottom weight nor nothing. But chat me that expect after a closure above, push down and we tap this level just like a 6 pip bottom weight, bro. Then would the market execute buys, but can just push straight up. So we are go wait pan chat. If this candle can print structure on the way up, bro, that would have been decent. We still got more levels up for take buys, so we're good same way, bro. I just levels them and put them up. Put them up. So let me see this. Well, and chat. I don't want to look for no buys above 31 because as you can see, we have a bunch of rejection levels, right? So look. Now move this line, put it up some more because we have all these can go here before like top this level and reject even over here. So we top and we reject all of them can I was able to reject. So we pushing up to top this level, chat. Move to look for no buys right there, so move that wait for the candle actually close above. We can get a closure above, that would have been decent. You see me? I'm gonna drop down to like the 15 and see something. As I'm saying, if we print a top wick, towards like 31 areas, bro, you see me? And this candle mine should flip and we start to get closures back below. That would have been decent, same way. Or would I be like what, 25? I tell her, bro. Bro. Chat, but that's why I'm not pre for enter for like the minute time frame, but on the minute time frame we never close above the range either. Right, so I'm sure no. Maybe I look for buyers. Maybe I look for buyers above like this mini candle. Maybe I look for buyers above maybe I look for buyers above here, so 30, 33, 28. But this mini candle chat is like we open up, we push up, we almost close above, but in the last of the candle we reject and we close like weak bullish. Then the next candle open up and just push straight up. But we just want to see like a closure above the range, because when the candle close above the range, that like you way better for like just wait for a closure above the range, you see me? And I see you can get then close respecting like that, might as well just stay out and wait for price grab liquidity. But now we print a top wick. See we top 31. Can go start to flip bearish. As I'm saying, chat, but I need to see like closures below. This could definitely be a fake out, but if we can get closures below the range, chat, we'll attempt sells once again from the same level. Again. And stop loss would probably be like 70 pips, 76 pips in this case, because I'm gonna put my stop loss towards the 15 minute candle highs and the 4 hour highs, basically same. Hold on, I'ma say something. Scan go close above the range, print a bottom wick. That would be 3 bad, bro. I'ma see. Love like 15. We'll be like, what, 25 to the rebreak at the highs. Hold on, chat. I'm gonna just see something real quick. That would be a closure about same way, so that still be good to fill the range, cause we can go never completely fill the range. Nice bottom wick before I can go close above. So chat, you know me I do chat. Would I look for some buys for the next minute can go chat? You see me? For the next minute can go, would I look for some buys? This probably going to be like a market execution, but I look for some buys. But I have to see a bottom wick though. So like how we close above the range chat, I have to see a bottom wick get print. If you can print a bottom wick top this level, would I look for some buys, bro? But if you can just push up and fill the range, then a GG's. The idea behind it is like the 4 will close with no top wick. But as we say, the idea of the 4 can go close above the range. As me, after the 4 can go close above the range, you print a bottom wick, the other expert will flip back bullish and fill the range, rebreak the highs. You see me? So that's why I'm gonna say, yo, I look for some buys after this minute can go, but this I think, chat. This I think, bro. See, from the can go flip towards 32, that would have been what? That would have been 10. Alright, look, this I think, chat, is like me want to see like a closure above the range when this candle push up like a closure above the range and like a bottom wick top this level, chat. But it's like we're closing at the middle of the range and we'll close without a top wick. As so me always say, bro, a wick is a range. Whenever you can go then close without a top wick, you gotta expect the next can go for reject. You see me? So that's why I'm never take it. But what we can do, I wait 1 minute, because we're about to get a 5-minute candle closure within a minute and 30 seconds. So we can just wait for that, bro. Probably even fill the range before we close, but since we can't get that, we'll just wait for that. As I'm saying, if we close above the range, we might get our entry for the next 5. Basically that me a wait point. We got like 50 seconds left. If me have too much lines on the chart, I know some I can like delete some of them, bro. We look confusing, so nice. We did print a bottom wick, top the level. Nice. 5-minute candle above for close as well. Nice. So chat. Me I gotta look for enter buys after the next 5. But when we want to say this candle, me don't want to say it closing at the middle of the range. I want to see like a closure above and we're good, bro. No, I don't want to push all the way up and close up as well, because it's like the range basically fill already. Level close, right? So still good. So chat. Might get so entry after the next 5. Hold on, I'm gonna load this up. Alright, bottom wick first. Might be a wick entry, chat. I want to see a bottom wick. Nice. So I'm just gone into buys, chat. Just gone into buys just now after the 5. Basically the idea behind this chat is a closure above the range. 5-minute can go print a bottom wick and may look for a wick entry after the 5-minute time frame. You see me? That are the idea behind the trade mode. I expect if this 5 minute can go flip bullish, we should be able to forward up and fill the range at 31 areas, like a rebreak at the highs. You see me? And in this case, chat, I'm telling you, I put my stop loss. I put my stop loss on the break at the lows them. You see me? There's some stop loss that day. If we forward out and we break out of the range, that would have been my stops. You might see me adjust it. It depends though. It depends. I make you know everything what me do. So that was a weekend cheat. After the 5 minute time frame chat, that was like the idea what I have in mind. So that's what I say, bro. If we forward down, you know what, I can even put my stops on a breaker structure. Breaker 4 hour. I'm just say that. Yeah, cause that would have make sense. Let me see. Let me measure that though. That would have be like what? 50 pips. That would have be like 70 towards the range field. So chat, yeah. I put my stops right here, so. 23, I'm telling the exact level. 33.24.07 I'm stop loss. You see me? It's a 50 pip stop loss, bro. Yeah. 33.24.07. Basically, chat, you see if this 4 I can go. See like how we enter off a weekend tree. If this 4 I can go for flip bearish, rebreak its lows, and we get a closure below like 27 33.24. If we close below 23.24, then that the buy's idea out the window, bro. Cause remember, like, we would expect we fall down and close below this level because we already print a bottom wick. You see me? So that's why I'm putting my stops right there. So we can definitely drive down for some more wicks chat, but as I'm say, like anything below right, yeah, so I like clean range for continue down. You see me? So at that point, would I say trade invalid. I did have my stops on the rebreak at the lows, but I just see and put it right there. So alright, so make way more sense. So we'll see if this 4 candle can flip back bullish chat, cause I'm gonna say idea is like a closure above the range on the 4 candle. We forward down, we print a bottom wick. Once we flip, you gotta expect we fill the range at like 32. That's the idea we have behind it. Yeah, bro. So, but just I see it. Yeah, but just I see that one day. So as I say, chat. Yeah, bro. That I trade I got into, bro. Now I'm just wait and see what happen. Nothing else in my control, bro. As I'm say, we just follow a plan. Now I expect the rebreak of the lows. If price do rebreak the lows, then a GG's. You see me? Would I expect this 4 can go for flip back bullish. But we'll see. If we get bearish closure below the range, then that might be GG's, bro. Alright, I'm gonna fix this. Hold on. I'll be like an extra 2 pip. So stop. Yeah, but stop. But I just will stop loss like an extra 2 pips chat. I just want to make sure like my stop loss depend the the breaker structure. Once we break this level, we're gone for good. You see me? Like the trade completely invalid. So it's like an extra 2 pip, bro. I put my stop loss at 33.23.57. You see me? 33.23.57. Bro, it's just an extra 2 pips. And basically why I do that, I just want if like we break, like if we break this level, we're gone completely, chat. We are gonna go straight down. You see me? Just like an extra two people, just like, I don't really nothing too big, bro. As I said, we're nothing else in my control, chat. We just wait and see how the candle then close, and we just follow a plan, bro. As I said, the idea behind the trade, before I can go close, before I can go close above the range, hide that. Before I can go close above the range, chat. You see me? We already print a bottom wick. My stop loss the on the breaker structure right here, so cause think about it, if price will break right here, so bro, we could definitely go down further. You see me? But the reason why I enter buys is because we get like a closure above the range, and me not think this is enough. Me would expect the range get filled, which part me have the yellow line and but me show So when I have the yellow line, chat, this are the whole entire range fill. So we forward up, we never fill the entire range. You see me? So that's some would like there's some would hold till we tap the range fill. You see me? That's the idea we may have behind the trade. You see me? So yeah, bro, just wait and see what happen. This was how much? We're back at break even, chat. This was a 40 pip. This was a 40 pip drawdown. I have like 40 pips out of drawdown and this a trader so far. Chat. Even though we at break even, I stay in I trade. You see me? I not jump out at break even. But if you're scared of the trade, bro, you can just jump out at break even. But I just hold it and see what go on. You see me, chat? If this 15 minute can go flip bearish after we print a top wick, then we could definitely forward down and like close below. You see me? But I'll wait and see if we can get closures above on like a minute time frame and we print structure and push back up. I don't know, I just wait and see. Cause I'm gonna say, bro, nothing else in my control. Once you're not over risk and you understand the idea behind the trade, chat, everything good, bro. Whether we win, lose, or draw. You see me? I just wait and see what going on. This trade like feel like it drawn out, bro. Five minute candle close bearish below the range. Yeah. Let me see. So chat, 5 minute candle close back bearish below the range and we just push straight down. I think that stops here. So that I like minus, we'll measure it again. I think that a minus how much? Minus 60 pips chat, 58, yeah, just call it 60. So that a minus 60 pips, bro. As I'm say, bro, this trade when I take, would like the idea behind the trade is like just a closure above the range. Would I expect we push up and fill the whole entire range? We never fill the whole entire range. We got top wicks push up towards 31 and we just start for reject after that. You see me? Would I expect we like break, push up and like top this level we have right so. But fall down and we break his forward structure so that a stop sound. Just GG's, bro. You see it. Fall back tomorrow and continue to follow the plan chat. As long as you're not as long as you're not over risk chat, everything good, bro. You see me? Everything good. Well, this trade is like we push down top 25, we push back up towards the break even area, closure back below the range. Oh no, we're gone, bro. We're supposed to like continue down for a right so, but yeah, bro, we got 3 minutes left until the 5 close. You know what, chat? I could call it a day. I think I take nothing else for the day. I just fall back Friday, bro. You see me? Fall back Friday, tomorrow Friday though. Yeah. So I'm journal this, by the way. What time we take this? After the minute candle. What time we take this? 9:10. 9:10 we take this. Or after the 5, yeah. It was a weekend trade after the 5 minute candle chat. That was the idea behind it. At 9:10. So I'm put that night journal before I do anything else. Today I win. Today 17. 25. Hit this 9:10. Weird. Oh, so it's like I was sick on L chat. So we take a L. Whoa, bro. We take a L Wednesday and we take another L Thursday. These are some buys. So some buys was a weekend trade for like a 5 minute time frame. So it's minus 60. I just put it. Yeah. That was minus 60 pips. Never stock. Never add no pineapple either. Yeah. No pineapple max drawdown. Max drawdown would have been 62. Oh, 60. Cause I'm blind, bro. I'm gonna have here, so. Oh, see that. Yeah. No pineapple. And today, why daily bias? I think today, I'm bearish for today. Yeah, previous daily candle close with no top wick. Yeah. As what I say, in our analysis, like you that expect we forward down because we close without a top wick. But even though I'm bearish to the chat, I still take buys because the idea what we have behind the buys was like a liquidity. We just expect the range to get filled. After the range to get filled, then we are good for drive down. But the range going up is like a 20 pip range going up, and it's like, let me see, we push up, we forward like 7 pips. We forward like 7 pips away. So basically that expect price for like continue drive up because we need to break the highs, you see me? But that never happened. We forward like 7 pips away and gold just start to drive back down after that. And a GG's, bro. But yeah, I did bearish for the day. Put minus 60. So I'm say chat, we're down 51 pips for the week. Minus 51 pips for the week, bro. So as you can see, bro, it's like when we start the challenge, I think we start this on April 1st. From April 1st, chat, as you can see, we win like win like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades, and we lose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. So that's why we could do down, bro. If I look on like a total this a week, yeah, um from the week start, me make 10 pips, and then the next day after that, me lose 53. Then the next day we make 20, then we lose 75. So we end off the week there with minus 100 and minus 114 pips. That are the first week, first week of April. And then the next week, we make like 28 pips. Then we make like 26. And then we catch, then we forward like the next day and we catch 26 pips again. You see me? And then a day after that we lose 80 pips. And me never trade Thursday and Friday. So we end off the week the break even. And now this week, chat, as I can see currently, this week I win 3 trades and lose 2, bro. And we're down like 50 pips. You see me? So everything good, bro. Is like I just end off a month same way. You see me? I stick to a challenge, end off a month, bro. For the month, you can call it, so we're doing like what, 160, 165, something like that. I feel like the month, chat. 165 pips so far, and the month not done yet, bro. Still got time. But yeah. So now that I'm put that in Nigeria, I'm gonna see. I'm gonna load this up and see so. Yeah, chat. I'm probably just going to call it a day, right? So you see me? Just this me did have for sure, bro. Cause you know my journal everything going on my trade them. So far, friends, like me did take a break. After me take a break and forward back, as I can see, bro. Just like that was like a L week. We have like a green week, right? So we have another red week. This was a minus 100 and I. But as you can see, bro, it's like from me take a break and forward back, it's like me don't know, like it's like the market start move different or something. But me not go like find no excuse now, cause me still go show up every day and continue to follow the plan, bro. Cause eventually we are gonna catch back speed. You see it? Just don't over risk the account. Not because you have 100 pip stop loss mean you have to over risk. You see me? Bro, you can still risk like you can risk whatever you want risk, cause the thing with percentage shot, I don't really believe you have to risk like 1% or 2% per trade. You can risk whatever you really want risk, but just make sure say yo, you're not like risk like 50% of your account in one trade and stuff like that, bro. You see me? Everything gonna be good, bro. Me even start calculate my thing then, but I start use like percentage. For whenever I lose a trade, I measure and see like how much percent I lose or something like that, bro. But I don't know, we're probably gonna start it like next week or so. But yeah, chat, as I'm say, bro, probably going just call it a day, right? So you see it, me fall back tomorrow or soon. We'll go do, we'll drop. Tell you, it's like once we get like a closure back below, chat, it's like we're going drive down further, bro. And that are the thing behind my stop loss as well. It's like my stop loss, I always put my stop loss on like a level where trade would have be completely invalid for break. You see me? That's why my stop loss there. So like, they're so huge, bro. I have like, sometimes you see me with like a 50 pip stops, 100 pip stops. Because of market structure. I know because I'm just like always like want to have 100 pip stops. Because I structure, bro. It show me say yo, if we forward all the way down and break back this level, we're going definitely drive further. So there's some put my stops. It no matter. The only time it matter if it's over like 200 pips. You see, if it's structure like break a structure over like 200 pips, then more to do that. But like anything under 100 pips, I just I put my stops, bro. So that's why I always use that stop loss to chat. Cause it's like a level where trade completely invalid at that point. Yeah, bro, gold just start to drop. As I said, I call it a day, right? I say, you see, I fall back tomorrow, same time, same place, bro. You see me, just drop a like on your stream on your way out, same way. But that is it for right now. You see me? Me see you tomorrow.